All right, 5 o'clock in the morning, just after 5, it's 5:05. Waiting for Eddie to show up. Eddie should be here any second. And it's just after 5 in the morning in balmy Bahrain. The sun's about to come up over the horizon. It might already be up, but lost in the haze. So we're out a little bit earlier this time to beat the heat. I've got more water in my Camelback, brand new Camelback, and hopefully we beat some of the traffic. Traffic is kind of busy this morning. I think everybody had the same idea. An interesting colored car. Check out this car. You don't see that color every day. All right, bye. All right, so here we are on the ride. Just started. Eddie's up ahead of me. We're heading over the bridge from Jufair to Hid. Got a little bit of traffic. Not too bad. Cranking along at 12 miles an hour. Trying out my new microphone mod. To see if I get any wind in the microphone this time. There's some guys building something. All right, so we're in Amouage, and right here behind me, this is Michael Jackson's house when he was being told to stay out of the States for whatever reason. I can't remember. Not a Michael Jackson fan, quite honestly, but that's his place. And there's Eddie. Say hi, Eddie. Hi. And this is Amouage, another beautiful place to see in Bahrain.